Hey Monkey Gang, I'm back today and we're gonna be duping the brand new
What's
or anything.
duping?
But
What's duping?
the brand
What's
new
duping? What's
Go-
Oh!
so yeah, we're gonna go down to the office using the egg trick to instantly fill out the bar.
What? Oh, my fault. Wait for me.
Wrong way. This way.
I'm grappling. I'm scared. I forgot.
I have all the key cards and everything, so all we need to do is make it down to the duping machine. Perfect.
What did we get? Oh,
A
damn.
bomb. Oh, another key card. How useful.
Hey, what is this? I found another key card.
We don't need any more. I've got 3 now.
We don't need.
Oh, come this way. Come this way.
Oh,
The holy mop. What the hell? Why is it just flying? You can't even stand on it. Anyways, it's Jeremy beating time.
Do I go down?
Yes.
Bro, where did you go?
Right here. You got to stay on the roof for this part.
I'm scared.
This way. Now hopefully we don't get scammed again like I did with the flashlight bag. But if I just eliminate Mr. Not So Funny Dude.
Wait, can I have that?
Yeah, take it, man. Come through here. Get in.
This keeps me nice and high.
Alright, and now
We need trash, right?
let's pray this actually works. Because if I go
We
ahead,
don't have any river.
sling that in. Oh, I'm not liking the sound of that. Then if I
I'm stuck.
sling in
Bro, I'm
the
stuck.
egg, and then we grab a key card.
No.
You see, I came prepared. That's all done now. And now if I just... Oh, are you kidding me? Dang, you got scammed hard. Well, I suppose duping something else couldn't hurt.
Hey, wait, this is full already.
Yeah, I know it is.
I don't like
And slink.
Oh, we got a lot of chicken.
Oh my god! I swear I put in a revolver.
Jockey.
We got a lot of chicken jockeys. Chicken jockey!
Chicken jockey.
Well, that was a disappointing fail,
I'm so
but
bad. Dirty,
yeah, what's the harm in doing one without filling the machine, eh? Animal Company want to be nice. Hey, Animal Company.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's the legendary whoopee cushion.
We can have it.
Go get it.